Hi everyone, you're back on the Rome Tips channel. Today I will tell you how to find and create a group in Telegram. Be sure to watch to the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. We open up Telegram. At the top we see Search. We click on it. That's where we type in what we want to find. It shows us the groups we've found. First come from the search, and below we see the channels we are subscribed to and the posts in which our request may be. In order to go to the channel we need, just click on the channel we want. Now let's create a group. In the upper right corner we click on the sheet with a pen. We are offered to create a new message, but we choose the group. We are offered to choose contacts that we want to invite to our group. They can be relatives or friends. I skip this point. Next we are offered to write a name for the group. Add a profile avatar. After that we click Create and our group is created. Congratulations if it was useful, but be sure to subscribe and put a like.